What kind of learner are you? Part 2. What type of learner are you? An important part of learning in the 21st century learning environment is to determine the type of learner you are. In this section, you will look at different types of learning styles. Left brain versus right brain. Scientists have discovered that different activities are carried out in your left brain than in your right brain. Here is some research results. The left brain, logical, analysis, sequencing, linear, mathematics, language, facts, think in words, words of songs, computations, where the right brain is creativity, imagination, holistic thinking, intuition, arts, which are motor skills, rhythm or beats, nonverbal, feelings, visualization, tune of songs, and daydreaming. Kinesthetic, visual, auditory, or what? Learning styles can be divided into different categories: visual, auditory, kinesthetic, read and write. The styles of learning: visual, auditory, kinesthetic, read, write. Understanding your type of learning can be beneficial for several reasons. Remember the information the first time you hear it will reduce the amount of time you need to absorb it. Figure out which are the best and most efficient ways for you to study. Understand which types of tests you may excel on and which may be more difficult for you. The auditory learner uses word associations to remember facts and lines. Some suggestions: record lectures and watch videos. Repeat facts with your eyes closed. Participate in group discussions. Record notes after writing them. What are the characteristics? Tend to speak slowly and explain things well. Tend to be natural listeners. Tend to repeat things aloud. Think linearly. Read slowly. Prefer to hear rather than read information. A kinesthetic learner. Learning suggestions: study in short blocks. Take lab classes. Go on field trips. Study with others. Use memory games and flashcards to help memorize facts. Characteristics: tend to be the slowest talkers. Learn by doing and solving real-world problems. Like hands-on approaches. Can't sit still for long. Get fidgety. Take breaks when studying. Suffer from short attention spans. The visual learner. What are the characteristics? Tend to be fast talkers and may interrupt. Learn by seeing, for example, charts and diagrams. Need quiet time for study. May think in pictures. Make detailed notes. Like to sit at the front of the class. What are the learning suggestions? Draw or outline the information you need to remember. Copy what's on the board. Diagram sentences. Take notes and make lists. Color code, highlight, circle, and underline words in your notes. Use flashcards. How does the general population break down according to these 4 types of learning styles? 27.6% are kinesthetic, 20.6% visual, 26.8% read-write, 25% auditory. The sources for this are information provided by www.onlinecollege.org.